I hope all are doing good. So, today this video is about what is an operating system. Operating system is an interface between the user and the computer hardware. Now I will explain you what is an operating system in definitions. An operating system is an interface between a computer user and a computer hardware. Did you know there is a short form of operating system which is known as OS? An operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, controlling peripheral devices such as disk drives and printers. The low-level software that supports a computer's basic functions such as scheduling tasks and controlling peripherals. Different type of operating system. So these are some of the common operating systems: Windows, Mac, Linux, Bada, ClearOS, Ubuntu, Android, Symbian OS, Fedora, Palm, iOS, BlackBerry, Java, CentOS. From Enlighten Your Coding Skills. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Always be with Enlighten Your Coding Skills. Bye guys.